Toothache can occur when the nerve in the root of a tooth or surrounding a tooth gets irritated. Sometimes, a temporary gum irritation can cause minor toothache that you can treat at home. A salt water rinse for such toothache is all that you may require for pain relief. In this video we will discuss when and how to use salt water for toothache. We will also cover the conditions when salt water may not be suitable for toothache. So stay tuned to the end. A toothache can be caused by tooth decay, bacterial infection, tooth grinding, tooth fracture, damaged filling and gum infection. For such minor irritation, a regular salt water rinse is generally good to give pain relief. Even dentists recommend adding a salt-based mouth rinse to your dental regimen to maintain good oral health. Salt water is a natural disinfectant. It can help loosen food particles and debris stuck in between your teeth. This is generally a good line of first treatments for your tooth pain. It is also simple and quick. You can easily make a good saline solution at home. It only requires salt and water, both almost always available in your kitchen. Sometimes you can also add baking soda, though it is not necessary. But important is to ensure that the saline solution or salt water that you make is fresh every time you rinse your mouth. Mix half teaspoon of salt well into a glass of warm water. Use it as a mouthwash. Take a sip, swish the mixture in your mouth and spit it out. Continue until all saline water is used up. You will immediately feel relief. In addition to cleaning the infected areas and reducing the pain, the salt also does one more important job. It helps to draw out excess fluid around the swollen gum tissues. This reduces swelling and further reduces pain. If your toothache persists for a couple of days, then you should consult a dentist. Salt water is only useful in minor temporary tooth pains. It doesn't help in major causes of toothache such as tooth decay, severe bacterial infection, tooth grinding, tooth fracture and damaged filling. Bottom line is, salt water rinse is good for minor temporary toothache. Consult a dentist if your toothache persists. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.